In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step assembly of setting up your new premium massage chair. When your chair arrives, it is going to be in one large box. Once you have cut the straps, remove the top of the box and set aside. Remove the packaging materials surrounding the chair and then lift and remove the rest of the box. Once you have uncovered the main body of the chair, discard the protective coverings and remove the plastic wrapping and plastic guards. Lower the footrest into its resting position and then remove the protective covering. This next step will require a partner to help lift the chair. Apply pressure to the back of the massage chair to pivot onto the casters. Shift your grip to find the handles on the back. Making sure to use your knees to protect your back, lift the chair up and out of the box, gently lower into place. To install the seat cushion, remove the protective fabric from the Velcro and lower it into place. Place the remote in the remote holder to give yourself room, and then zipper the closures on both sides of the seat cushion. To finish installing, line up the Velcro on the underside of the seat cushion with the Velcro on the chair body, and then zipper the closure between the seat cushion and the flap on the top of the footrest. Next, locate the power cord and plug it into the respective port on the back side of the base of the chair. Flip the main power switch on. Your chair is now fully assembled. Feel free to take a seat and relax. Enjoy your Riage 4D massage chair, and thank you for being a part